Hello guys, welcome to another video. I was really wondering if it was feasible to do here a video for this, because the problem is just a fuse. Well, not just a fuse, okay? Every time that you have a blown fuse, it's because of something. So you have to figure out why did the fuse blown, okay? So I did just normal testing here on the component. So this solenoid over here opens the boot, releases the boot like so. It is very similar to the one on the 164 to release the fuel cap. Okay, I just took out here the plug, the connector, and I tested it on the battery. Actually, the battery of that red one that is on the floor, and it is okay. Okay, now the next step was to see where is the relay and if the relay has a fuse. And on that box over there, you have a bunch of fuses and relays, okay? And what just pops out in front of me? A blown fuse. Well, maybe it's for this one. And what I did next was to insert another fuse over there without having this connected. Press on the button on the interior of the glove box to see if the problem is within the solenoid, okay, or not. With the solenoid disconnected, the fuse did not pop, okay? It means that the problem is not with this component, okay? After doing some more testing, did not pop because this is not a permanent issue, and then I connected this and it works perfectly. When I was fiddling with the relay that is just behind it, all of a sudden it popped the fuse. So I have here a problem with this relay and also the relay holder, but I already treated with WD-40, okay? So the issue is sometimes this relay shorts and blows out the fuse, okay? So every time that you have a thing where, oh, it's just a fuse, it's just a fuse. No, the fuse is there to do something. Something triggered the fuse, okay? You can never in your head say that it's just a fuse. Another thing that I do to do the testing is I used 10, not this one, this is 20. On the 20, I always cut it to half, so I used a 10 amp fuse to do my testing because I want it to short during the test. I want to find out where is the problem. When I'm moving about some wiring, when I'm moving about the relay, when I'm pressing on the button, something, okay? So do not ever increase the capability of the fuse. If it is a 20 amp fuse, always use a 20. In my case, I use a 10 one to be able to find the problem sooner. Okay, so this is a quick one. It's been a very long time since I do the quick ones, the quick tips, and here you have it, a quick tip just for you. Now, if you want to know more about this 166, I already did a video for the door. Well, the driver's door had an issue with the window regulator, and it is down on the description of the video how to take out the door panel, how to replace the window regulator, how to put back in the door panel. Don't forget that screw on the inside over there. I'm waiting here for the speakers to put on all 4 doors. I also will do work here on the suspension, and I'm still considering here doing a video or not for that, and doing some restoration here on the wiring, putting in these sleeves. Also we'll do here a total maintenance on the fluids, gearbox, antifreeze, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and the engine oil is not necessary because it is recent, okay? So every time you do a service does not mean that you have to do it on the engine. I will do everything but the engine. Also over there, a Spider, or in this case a Brera, with a problem on the engine, and I'm doing the repair. Also will be down on the description. Over there, a car 156 with some suspension issues and power steering issues too. It will be down on the description. Over there, a Spider with the top with some issues that I'm solving. Almost ready, just the gas threads to go, and that SW there with the issues on the doors. Okay, don't forget that down on the description we have more videos related to This one related to finding problems, finding and solving electrical problems. Sometimes it may seem a little bit daunting, but believe me, it is not. It is quite easy sometimes. Actually, over here, it was a 10-minute job, and it's really working right now, okay? So also download the description. You have links for helps for the channel. If you are able to do a little bit of a help, it will be much appreciated, okay? I see you next time, guys. Bye.